Hello everyone, I'm Crypto Nobes. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at the latest big news to do with Cardano. We're also going to be taking a look at price analysis as well as a few other big things. So if you guys like anything I bring to you, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button or share the video for more. Let's see if we can get this video with 400 likes, and I also want to know down below, what price do you think Cardano will be by the end of this year? With that, let's jump straight into the video. Ladies and gentlemen, we have here the official Crypto Nobes Patreon. We have the loyal supporter membership where you can help support the channel. We have the brand new gold membership where you'll receive access to my VIP group on Discord, where I'll provide my top cryptocurrency shouts every month, potential coin breakouts, and cryptocurrencies you should potentially look into. And finally, we have the diamond membership where if you are brand new to cryptocurrency, just getting started, or if you need help at all with your portfolio, I will help you to the best of my ability. I will answer any questions you have about cryptocurrency, and I'll also offer any personal support. You will also get access to all the previous tiers. I would advise checking it out as we are looking to build one of the strongest crypto communities out there. If it's something you think you might be interested in, I'm going to leave a link in the description and in the pinned comment section down below. So we'll start off by taking a look at the market as a whole. Ladies and gentlemen, we are making history every single day that we are in this market. The market cap has reached over $1 trillion, which is absolutely insane. We are currently at $1.2 trillion, which we have never ever seen before. This is massive for cryptocurrency, and you are seeing it with your own eyes. Bitcoin is currently breaking its all-time high over and over and over again and is currently at 37,500. Ethereum is not far behind at $1,222. XRP is at 26 cents. Litecoin is up to $171. Cardano is up 27% to 34 cents. Polkadot is at $10.43. Stellar is up 73% over the last 24 hours to 37 cents. And Chainlink is at $17.04. But in today's video we are going to be taking a look at the latest news to do with Cardano, so let's jump straight into its price. Cardano is currently up 90% over the last 7 days, it is up 123% over the last 30 days, it is up 258% over the last 90 days, and it is up an incredible 807% over this past year. And if I show its chart on the 30 day, as you can see here, we were consolidating around the 14 to 16 cents mark for quite a while, and now we have effectively doubled. We are only 1 week into this year and we are seeing gains we have not seen in a very long time. I personally think this year is going to be so good for cryptocurrency. A lot of us are going to be shocked. And if I show you its chart on the 12 month, as you can see here, March time in 2020, Cardano wasn't even 4 cents, and since then we have made a tremendous amount of gains. Things are looking incredibly bright for cryptocurrency for this year. We will see the odd correction, we may see the odd 20 to 30% pullback, but remember, this is cryptocurrency. This market is famous for being volatile, so just remember, the best times to buy are during the dips. But overall, this market is getting pretty crazy at the moment. A lot of people are making a lot of money in this space, and you guys do not want to miss out. We're now going to jump into the first piece of news to do with Cardano, and this article says Cardano's market cap flips Bitcoin Cash after ADA rallies by 100%. In the past week, Cardano's price surged by more than 100% and overtook Bitcoin Cash to become the 6th largest cryptocurrency. The price of Cardano rose more than 100% in the past week as it overtook Bitcoin Cash to become the world's 6th largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. There are two major factors behind ADA's strong upsurge throughout the past several weeks. First, most major cryptocurrencies saw large rallies following Bitcoin's uptrend to $36,400, and Cardano has some important network upgrades lined up for 2021. And it says down here, excitement builds over Cardano's smart contract deployment. Cardano launched the Shelley mainnet in 2020, kickstarting the growth of Cardano as a proof-of-stake blockchain protocol. The release of Shelley was a major milestone for Cardano, which led to the overall sentiment around ADA to improve throughout 2020. However, functional smart contracts are yet to be deployed on the Cardano blockchain. When smart contracts are live, large-scale decentralized finance, DeFi protocols and other decentralized applications will be able to launch on top of Cardano. Researchers at Binance Academy said that the release of the functional smart contracts is part of the Goguen update. Considering the significance of this network upgrade, the market sentiment around ADA appears to be improving. The report read, as of December 2020, functional smart contracts cannot be deployed on the blockchain platform as part of the roadmap. This will roll out as part of the Goguen update. Following Goguen, the Basho era focuses on optimization of scalability and interoperability, and the Voltaire era introduces a treasury system to address governance. Smart contracts on Cardano are different from other blockchains because they allow developers to code self-executing smart contracts based on program conditions. This allows developers and decentralized applications to be more flexible. Umergo, a blockchain solutions firm, said, "These contracts, when written on the Cardano blockchain, offer the value of giving full visibility to all participants of the contract, while also being extremely secure and self-executing according to the program conditions." So overall, we are 1 week into 2021, the year of cryptocurrency, and it is so far proving to be that way. We are seeing tremendous price action across the board, and we are seeing some gains we have not seen in quite a few years. I personally think cryptocurrency is just getting started. We are going to see the appropriate corrections, but overall this year is going to be the year. I want to know down below, what cryptocurrency is your #1 pick for 2021? This is the next article I want to show you, and it says there could be 1 million Cardano ADA wallets created in 2021. The number of new ADA wallets has skyrocketed in the past month, with an average of 64 wallets created every hour between December 16th and January 4th. Using the data, projections have shown that there could be 1 million more ADA wallets created by the end of 2021, making Cardano one of the fastest growing blockchain networks in terms of user acquisition. The number of new ADA wallets continues to grow in 2021. While 2020 has been a major year for Cardano, this year is set to be record-breaking in every sense of the word. Both IOHK and the Cardano Foundation have dedicated 2021 to building the Cardano community, with Charles Hoskinson, the CEO of IOHK, saying that this will be the year when the power of the community is fully harnessed. These plans are additionally reinforced by the latest data coming from the Cardano network, which shows that there has been a significant growth in the number of new addresses and wallets created on the network. According to data aggregated from AdaStat, an average of 121 new wallets were created every hour on January 4th. This represents a 98% increase from the 63 wallets created per hour on January 1st, and a 255% increase from the average of 34 wallets created per hour on December 16th. Strong on-chain metrics and stable growth could mean 1 million more wallets this year. According to data from AdaStat, if the number of new ADA wallets continues to increase at this rate, there could be over 1 million new ADA wallets created in 2021 alone. With data showing just under 55% of all existing ADA wallets are currently staking their funds, the addition of 1 million new wallets will bring about an unprecedented level of decentralization to Cardano. Another thing that further reinforces Cardano's decentralization is the fact that overwhelming majority of ADA holders and retail investors holding small amounts of the native cryptocurrency, only 2.8 billion ADA are held by whales, while investors hold just under 6% of the circulating supply, or around 7.6 billion ADA. Data from Into the Block has shown that the retail investors hold 72% of the current ADA supply, just over 25 billion tokens. So overall, at the rate cryptocurrency and Cardano is growing at the moment, we are going to see adoption coming sooner than we think. The money that is pouring into cryptocurrency at the moment is absolutely ridiculous. We have hit over $1 trillion and we are currently sat over 1.2 trillion. There is no signs of slowing down, and there is still so many more big players, companies and countries to come into this space. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to cryptocurrency. We're now going to take a look at a short little clip from Charles Hoskinson explaining the integration with Litecoin.
Many of you are familiar with a discussion we had with the guys over at the Litecoin Foundation a few months back, where we were discussing about implementing NEPA-POWs or something like NEPA-POWs into Litecoin for interoperability with Cardano. Brief update on those conversations. We had the preliminary conversation, talked to Charlie, talked to David. Then they invited us to go do a presentation. We did a presentation. It was very productive. We got some great feedback on it. And I believe there's a process where a LIP is being written. Litecoin is a very slow evolving cryptocurrency. It's one of the legacy coins. It's been out since, I think, 2011, if memory serves correctly. They move quicker than Bitcoin, but certainly slower than, let's say, a third generation cryptocurrency. And that's part of the charm. Litecoin is resilient to change, and that's a feature, not a bug. So big changes like interoperability or other things, they take a little bit of time to ratify. So hopefully we should be able to have that LIP through their process and get some community support behind it. And it'll take a little while to work its way in, and some test code has to be written and all these other things. But the advantage of NEPA-POWs is that NEPA-POWs are very special. They don't require a lot to get in, and they don't actually require dramatic changes to consensus or validation. So you get a big bang for your buck. You don't have any loss of security. It's very rare in protocol design to see something where you gain something and you don't have to give something up for it. For example, when you shard, you tend to give up security or availability. or something of that matter. And so it's going to be really fun to see what happens with it. And the great part is Litecoin, because it's one of the Bitcoin gene line, so it was a fork from Bitcoin. If it works in Litecoin, it should reasonably well work in Zcash and in Dash and many of the other things that follow very similar consensus mechanics and code bases. So we'll see, but I'm very optimistic about these things, and it's very exciting to see that we're getting some traction.
So some very interesting stuff said from Charles Hoskinson himself. There is a lot to look forward to with Cardano this year, and there is a lot to look forward to with majority of the crypto space. This year is the year for cryptocurrency. To finish off today's video, we are going to be taking a look at a price analysis, and if I show you this chart here, I personally think, considering the levels that we are at now, I think for us to fall into a bearish motion, we would have to fall below 20 cents, because 20 cents is a very key level, and if we do fall below that, that's when things will start to get a bit risky. I think anything in between 20 cents and 25 cents is a very good buying opportunity if we see these prices anytime soon. And I personally think anything above 28 cents or 36 cents is incredibly bullish for Cardano, because it just goes to show that the bulls are in full control. I want to know your thoughts and opinions down below. What price do you think Cardano will be by the end of March? Just quickly, only 20% of you that watch my videos are actually subscribed, so if you are new around here or regular, hit the subscribe button, as it is free and you can always unsubscribe later if you do not enjoy my content. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that is absolutely everything I've got for you in today's video. If you have enjoyed anything I've brought to you, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, or share the video for more. Let's see if we can get this video for 400 likes, and I also want to know your thoughts and opinions down below. With that, I've been Crypto Nobes. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Peace.